Hi guys, we received this kitchen faucet for reviewing purposes. I think it's really nice. It comes with the instructions on how to use it and all the parts that you need. Okay, as you can see, it's really nice. Okay, it has a beautiful design, which I like a lot. Here's the main unit, as you can see, and this is where the water goes through your pipes. Okay, so let's go ahead and install it. Let's go. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. I think it looks really beautiful. It's really clean. It gives a nice vibe to your bathroom, and you can open the hot one with this side, the cold one with this side. Okay, and you also have the drainage plug, so you can close it and have water in your basin, so you can do, well, cleaning, some shaving, I don't know, whatever you need them. I think it will work really nice. As you can see, just press it and it stops the water flow, and if you open it, just press it again. Okay, so I think it's really nice, really easy to install, as you can see, and well, perfect for your bathroom, your kitchen, wherever you want to place it. I think it's gonna do an amazing job, and I really like it, so I will recommend it. See you guys.